Have you ever wondered what it's like to live on a boat? To sell everything you own, untie from the dock, and head for the horizon? That's exactly what we did. So climb aboard and come with us as we go seeking adventure.
Good morning. Can you hurry up and eat?
I have one more bite to go.
We're changing our plans again. So now I'm a little bit eager to go. we were supposed to just go 20 miles today down to a spot called Bell Island, which would be beautiful today and tonight, but tomorrow with the wind clocking, it looks like it's a little bit exposed. And then we are going down near Staniel Cay, and between Big Major and Small Major, which is right next to Staniel Cay. And because it's so close to Staniel, it is a very popular place. So we decided that we're gonna go down there today, skip Bell Island, and hopefully get there before everybody else goes there. So we'll see. So I want there to hurry up and eat so we can get going.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah.
All right, so then let's get off this ball and get going.
Think you should go in?
I'm actually a little bit intimidated by all the yelling. I don't know, why do they have to yell?
It's all about God, Monica.
I know, but they could get the same message across. Being Norwegian, we're very mellow, very quiet for the most part, especially in church.
It's a different culture.
It's a different culture.
So is the grocery store open or closed?
It's closed, and I must say it's pretty impressive that for a small island like this, they have 3 separate grocery stores. Now they're not going to be big when you walk inside, but they all seem to have variable hours on Sundays, but it turns out that all 3 of them are just closed all day on Sunday.
That's not a big shock, is it?
No, and it's okay. We don't need anything. Really, what I would like are some more potato chips, and some eggs would be nice.
Potato chips and eggs. That's your diet right there.
That's
huh?
my diet right now. So I see the airport there behind you, Darren.
Yeah, it's a small airport. It looks like the planes that we can see, they're very small, but I mean, that's to be expected. It's a small community. I don't know how many people live here, but it can't be more than a couple hundred.
I don't know if you're allowed to just sit there and rest. We have places to go.
If I'd have seen you coming, I would have stood up.
We're now going to the yacht club to get a beer.
Then I'm ready to go.
All right.
Did you get that shot?
I did get that shot.
Looks like the water's pretty blue.
The
isn't
water is very inviting.
I say after we go to that yacht club, that we go back and get in that water.
Yeah, maybe we can dive off the boat.
We're getting closer.
Now I'm hot and I just want this walk to be over with,
Are you
honestly.
complaining about being hot? It's January.
I know. I am a little bit. I'm just kind of like, I just want to sit down.
All right, Monica, you ready for today's adventure?
Yeah, I think we're going to go and see the grotto, right?
Yes, we are going to see the grotto. The grotto, named Thunderball Grotto after the James Bond movie that was partially filmed here at Staniel Cay inside of the grotto. So that's what we're going to go check out. We're going to be cruising right by Pig Beach, Monica. And there's a lot of people pay a lot of money to go and swim with the pigs, and we can just anchor our dinghy and jump in and swim with them if you'd like.
We've actually seen airplanes land in front of Pig Beach.
That's
with
right.
people going to see them. It's, in my opinion, a little bit of an odd tourist attraction.
Yeah, there's a lot of people really enjoy it though, but I don't really get it either. It's like, I'm not a farmer, but I spent a little time on a farm when I was a kid, and I just remember the pigs as being really dirty and disgusting.
Right.
I don't think I want to go swim with them. I think they must go to the bathroom in the water when they're swimming.
And how did they end up on the beach to begin with?
Yeah, good question.
Darren is pulling us out of here because it's very crowded. So he's going to pull us out and then we're going to start the engine away from everybody.
I think I cut off, huh?
How you doing?
I'm getting a little tired. Take that. Stay on the other side. Way down.
Oh, look at you. Like you've done it before. Nice that that engine then starts.
First roll. Two-handed, though, I'm not really proud of that.
here now for about a week. We've had to move a couple times just due to wind conditions, which, as I understand, it's part of this time of year that you do get a lot of wind, and also the wind is clocking, so it makes it very difficult. You find a place to stay and then the next day or later that day the wind is clocking, so, and the wind actually is not the worst thing, it's the fetch, it's the waves that is could be a very uncomfortable situation. Today we're going down to Black Point Settlement. It's not far. We might be out on the water for an hour, hour and a half, and that'll be the furthest south that we're going to go. So it's kind of funny that Black Point has been on my chart since we left Florida, and one of the reasons is because they have great reviews for a laundromat.
Yeah, and we need it right now. We need a laundromat for sure.
But I think there's probably more to Black Point Settlement than their laundromat.
Well, there's good bread and there's a grocery store.
Yeah.
So that's also what we need.
Lorraine's cafe and some coconut bread. So, and we have accumulated some trash, so we need to get rid of that as well. So today is kind of a work day, I guess.
Yeah, so we got to get moving. We're slacking already,
Well, we
Monica.
are.
We've been
We
here
are.
for 10 minutes. We haven't done anything
All
yet.
right, well, let's go. Let's find that laundromat.
Let's do it.
I must say that I thought it was kind of silly that Black Point is known for their laundromat, but I can see why they're known for it, because laundromats, at least where we've been in the Exuma, is not something that is easy to come by. So then here they have a huge one with all these machines and full-time staff available, so that's pretty cool. So now we're gonna grab a bite to eat while we wait for our laundry to be done.
Good.
Thank you so much.
Because we're not being filmed.
I think it's the first time I've had beer with a straw.
And ice.
Because and ice.
Nice.
This is the veggie burger.
Yep, over here. Thank you so much.
Order of rice.
Right in the middle. Perfect. Thank you.
Do you need anything to go with that?
No, I'm
Good. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. We are going to a party. Rock and roll party. Can't miss it. It's a big deal apparently. So it'll be fun to meet some other boaters and locals here at Black Point.
What are you getting, Monica?
We're both getting rum punch because it's 2 for 10. It's the happy hour special.
I want a Bahama Mama. I don't want a rum
No,
punch.
you're getting a rum punch. You spent too much money on your haircut today. It was $40 for his haircut, but I think he got ripped off. But it's okay, so we'll make up for it on the drink. What are you drinking?
I drank a rum punch. Monica made me drink it because it was on sale. It's pretty good though. I may just have another one.
Well, it is 2 for 1. So Darren, this is day 2 of us coming down here to this party. Why are we here?
Yeah, we're here for the free food and the free alcohol. Amazing, huh?
What does that make us when we come back just for the food?
Smart.
Smart. We'll go with that. We'll go with that. Very good.